Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will learn counting from 11 to 20. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's count together and have lots of fun. 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Let's learn again. 201 to 210. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job kids. Now you know counting from 11 to 20. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Bye.